Politeama Theatre is the home for the Sicilian Symphony Orchestra. Sadly, I couldn't go in because Palermo has introduced forced guided tours in a couple of places in short fixed hours, so I didn't wait. Teatro Massimo is an opera house and also very famous, portrayed in The Godfather Part 3 with their famous opera Cavalleria Rusticana. It's actually the largest in Italy and one of the largest in Europe, designed by Rutelli and one of the oldest Italian families with British Isles origins. It took actually 22 years to build. It was planned for 3,000 people, but seats 1,381. It was closed between 1974 and 1997 for renovation delays due to local corruption and fights. Unfortunately, it's still a bit run down due to the same local issues. The lighting inside the opera is all from the well-known Murano Island. I kind of lost my group and did my own little tour. So let's continue. The central part of Palermo has closed the traffic or has very limited traffic in the city area. And this was a great decision because it was terrible to walk here before. Quattro Canti is a Baroque square, finished 1620, and every corner has a statue with a fountain, each one dedicated to one of the 4 seasons. Fontana Pretoria was actually built in Florence 1544 but sold and transferred to Palermo 1574 because the owner had a lot of debts. It has 48 statues and 90 columns, and the fountain became a symbol of corruption in Palermo, and also due to the statue's nudity. The square was known as Piazza della Vergogna, Square of Shame. The Palermo Cathedral got its grounds 1185 by Normans, but was before a Byzantine basilica and has also been a mosque. The upper towers are built during the Renaissance era, and the present appearance is neoclassical. Inside you find the Norman Emperor Frederick II resting, and take the steps up to the roof. It's well-deserved 110 steps to get a fantastic view over Palermo city. And the last part, the crypt. Tombs from Roman, Byzantine and Roman ages. The church founder Archbishop Walter is buried here. This leads also to the most important treasure of the cathedral, the Byzantine corona of Constance of Aragon. She was actually the wife to the Norman king Frederick II of Germany and Sicily.